we're actually doing a break because we need to eat and I'm very hungry. So we stopped at a place called and I hope it's gonna be so good. I ordered something Asian and my boyfriend ordered a wrap, so we're gonna see what it is. In his wrap there is like kimchi, so I'm really excited to see what it gives, even though I'm not a big fan of it. And then I will show you once it arrives. So this is what I got. I got chicken aioli sauce with pomegranate, chicken brown rice, and honestly this looks bomb. This looks bomb. So let me try it. So we just ate and honestly I didn't think it was that good. My boyfriend also did not really like his. So this is day 2. In day 1 we didn't have a lot of time to film because it was actually a very busy day. We also had to take our luggage everywhere where we were going, so it was just so annoying and I didn't feel like filming because it's chaos. But so we woke up today and we went to the Westminster Abbey. We did a tour and it was so pretty inside, so actually I'm happy that we did it, even though it cost a little bit of money, I would say. And now we're walking towards Charing Station, I think. Also, here's the Big Ben, so pretty. Also the sun is shining. I'm so happy because it's February, beginning of February, and it is cold. Now we're just gonna eat, walk a little bit, and then we're going to the Warner Bros. Studio tour in London. So we're in the McDonald's right now, close to Charing Station, and we are eating at the moment. I just got a Big Mac menu, but more important, we went to Waterstones and we got the latest Sarah J. Maas book, the exclusive edition, which means there's an extra part at the end of the book. So really excited about that. So we are at the Warner Bros. Studio tour, and the theme that we will have today is actually magical mischief. So any kind of pranks, jokes that they did during the movies, and I'm just so excited. Also, how big is this? So let's continue the tour. So we are on set, kind of on set, and there is the Yule Ball. I mean, excuse me! It looks so good, it's gorgeous. And something that I like really much is just the details on this all. It just looks so good. in front of the Hogwarts Express, which is so cool. And actually, I didn't know it was in this Warner Bros. Studios that the train was. I thought it was somewhere else, that it was in Orlando, but it is not. I'm so happy to see it because it looks so good in real life, and it just really takes me back to Hogwarts, where our home is, of course. So let's get into the train. To conclude this journey, today was so amazing. I absolutely loved it and would go back for sure. Everything is so well organized, everything is in theme, like fun facts, and also so immersive and like just a great experience overall. If you liked this video, go to part 2 to see the rest of my London trip.